Okay, now we're going to get our seasonings together for our prime rib. And what we have is our salt and pepper and some garlic powder. What we want to do with a whole head of garlic, the easiest way to get these pieces apart rather than pulling and tugging at them is to go ahead and just press down firmly and just kind of circulate it and see all these just fall right out. Paper's right off. Then you can kind of take these apart like this, and these are going to go into the prime rib, and I'll show you how that's done in just a couple of seconds. So break these apart too. So you have these nice peels. So you'll have these separate cloves, which we want to put in there. Now, how to kind of loosen up the skin, we don't really want to smash this too much, but you can just get any knife. Heavy knives are better, but you can just go ahead and just grab your knife and just kind of press down on it like this. You see the skin will start coming off pretty easily. And your clove will come out just like that.